we bought sale at Lowe's for 75% off from 22.98 became 5.40 something. Ayan, si June trying to cut off all the dried flowers, and then we'll put fertilizer so that it can bloom again, hopefully, and live. Take 2 to. Kasi nagpipicture ako kanina, di pala umaandar. Ayan ang mga kamatis ni Mami, very nice. All bloom, all blooming. The other mums, the red mums. Other set of mums here. Hopefully, they will live during the winter or survive the winter. Maganda pala yung kulay niya sa video, honey. Ayan. Very nice. Nice, nice, nice. And then the other set is here. This one is the salvia. Salvia. The other set of leaves here with tulips there in the middle.